Connect your domain to Microsoft 365. Welcome to M365 Professional. Once you've set up Microsoft 365 and moved your data from Google Workspace, you can connect your domain to Microsoft 365. First, we will need to delete existing DNS records from Google. Then we can add new DNS records for Microsoft 365. To start, sign into the Google Workspace Admin Console. Select Domains. Manage Domains. View Details. Manage Domain. Then DNS. Scroll down to Synthetic Records. Open Google Workspace. Select Delete. Then Delete again. Scroll down to Custom Resource Records and delete any existing DNS records that appear, including any you may have created previously. For Microsoft 365, sign into Microsoft 365, select Admin. Show All. Settings. Domains. Then choose your default domain. Select Continue Setup. Then to connect your domain, choose Continue. Scroll down to view the DNS records that need to be copied to Google. Open MX Records, and under Points to Address or Value, copy the record. Return to Google and in the Custom Resource Records section, open the Record Type drop-down and select them. In the Data field, paste the record you copied. Then select Add. Back in Microsoft 365, open CNA Records, and under Points to Address or Value, copy the record. In Google, open the Record Type drop-down and select CNAME. In the Data field, paste the record you copied. Return to Microsoft 365 and under Hostname, copy the record. Back in Google, in the Name field, paste the record you copied. Then select Add. Return again to Microsoft 365, open TXT Records, and under TXT Value, copy the record. Finally, in Google, open the Record Type drop-down and select TXT. In the Data field, paste the record you copied. Then select Add. Return to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and select Continue. Your domain setup is complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.